The first of all, I would like to pay my respects to teacher and hello everyone. Today I'm reading topic about Sonita Little Schools. Sonita was a young woman who grew up in Kampong Thom. When she was a child, her village school had only one classroom made of bamboo, and when it rained, the roof leaked. But Sonita loved to learn. Every morning she walked 3 kilometers with her younger brother to the school. After finishing her studies, Sonita decided to become a teacher. She wanted to give the children in her village a better chance than she had. Her friend told her, teaching doesn't bring much money. Why not move to Phnom Penh and find another job? But Sonita smiled and said, I don't teach for money. I teach because I want to build minds. One year, a flood destroyed part of the school buildings. Some teachers stopped coming because the road was bad and the classrooms were wet. But Sarita didn't stop. She used her own umbrella to protect her students' books and trapped them under a big mango tree. One day, a visitor from an NGO passed by and saw her teaching under the tree. He was so inspired that he decided to help rebuild the schools. Within 6 months, a new classroom was built, and more children start coming to schools. Today, Sonita's small village school has become one of the best in the area. Her students respect her because she never gave up, even when it was hard. Thank you for listening about my topic.